I'm making two videos because that's getting pretty. The one was getting pretty long. Here's that tapered collar. The second one, it goes on this way, but here's the trick: turn it around and put it on right now. Grab the threads and then grab a couple of good screwdrivers and use your screwdrivers to suck I got two hands here. I can't really do it very well. But if you use two screwdrivers, you can pry this. I'm just going to talk while I do it. You can pry it. You can use the screwdrivers to pry it in and suck that wedge in good and tight. So suck it in, use your screwdrivers the best you can, roll the drum around, suck it in the best you can, roll it around. Make sure it's in there tight. Then unscrew this and tighten it down to your heart's content. When you get both of your new bearings in, spin the drum by hand without the belts on. Don't put the belts on. The drum should just spin free and clear. That's how you'll know you got it.